Alright y'all, back with the world's worst lighting, and we're gonna put the air vents and everything in on the back side of the dash, so that way we can put the dash in, of course. So we'll do that. Alright, hold this which way we can, and then I'm just gonna, oh, I didn't unscrew that last one, that's alright though. I'm gonna set that in there. We gotta put the vents on and tighten it down. They tricked him into thinking he sold it, but they really sent it to the shop to get fixed. So now that he thinks his car is gone forever, it's really at the shop getting restored. I thought that was pretty cool. You can stop recording. Alright guys, so got all the wiring and, you know, like different things kind of moved and situated out of the way here. I'm ready to go. Got the flapper door cable reconnected. It was off when I pulled the dash off, and I think I just got to drop the steering wheel down off of that platform and let it hang down a little bit, and then we can fish the dash in. Should be able to get it in. You about ready for this, Ado? Yeah. See if we can put this baby in. Something's living back there. Hold it right there for a second. Okay, try to grab it and lift it up in there. Kind of like about there for a second, because I know all these wires are going to have to be removed. But what I want you to do is, if we can get it up into position. Hang on, we're hitting something. Oh, is this probably the center thing, huh? Oh, it's got to be rotated to land on there the right way. Okay. Alright, so hold that. And then, shit. Alright, hold on, I'll get this bolt one over here. Don't let it twist and stuff. I just put it up there. I don't know, I brought it over here, I think. Make sure it's on loose and not tight. That's what happens when you drop them, I think.
There you have it.
I thought I did too. I did not. I guess that screw came out on its own. So Alright, so all this shit's gotta come on top or some shit. Get out of here. Alright, so come over to here to this side and bolt this bottom bolt in right here. I don't know where the thing went. There's no thing on here anymore to screw it into. Alright, just give me a screwdriver or something. Go get me a screwdriver or something. Come hold this right here. Let me come sit where I'm sitting. Get out. You're gonna get out and you're gonna hold that so I can get this shit fixed. For a sec. No, I don't want to go at all. Keep pressure like forward so it doesn't roll. This wiring thing or something. Alright, let's rotate it again. Oh, that's the bolt I put in? Yeah. No big deal. We're like hitting something big right there. Alright. Hold it right there for a second. Coming over to your side. I need that long extension right there. Guys, so got the new dash in. There it is. It's all set in there, so now comes more work. Got to get all the wires tucked in and going the right way, and then mount the steering column back and everything, and get that all plugged in and everything. So I think we're gonna go in for the night, call it a night, and we'll come back next weekend and start on it.